Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must first verify ownership and rights. I can't show steps that remove another creator's watermark. Once you confirm you own the image, open Export and check watermarking to disable it. That's the proper built-in path. If the watermark came from someone else, contact them for a source file or a license. Make sure to preserve metadata and original files. Losing originals causes irreversible quality loss. Follow those permissions before editing anything further. If you own the photo, use Export right arrow watermarking to remove marks you added earlier. That's how Lightroom is designed. Once done, consider non-destructive alternatives. Crop, clone, or recreate the composition while keeping aspect ratio and quality intact. If a watermark belongs to another creator, request a clean master or buy a license. That prevents legal issues. Make sure to keep original RAW files and export settings so you can finalize by exporting at full resolution and double-checking metadata and watermark settings. If the watermark persists, confirm you edited the active export preset and not a different one. Once done, compare exported files to originals to ensure no quality loss. If problems continue, stop and contact the image owner or support for licensed alternatives. Do not attempt covert removal. Troubleshooting tip: verify you aren't previewing a cached JPEG. Clear previews or re-render the export to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.